Magaji's Cuisine. Today I'm here to show you how to prepare the Creamy Paneer Lababdar. So let's get started. Let's prepare the masala paste first, for which we need 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, 2 to 3 slit green chillies, and 6 to 7 ginger garlic pods. Also take 4 to 5 red chillies, 2 tablespoons ghee, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, few cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, and salt as required. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add 6 to 7 ginger garlic pods, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, and saute it well. Add chopped onions, add slit green chillies, saute it for a while. Now add chopped tomatoes, few cashew nuts, and 6 to 7 red chillies. Saute it again for a while. Add some salt and mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Let it cool for some time before grinding it. Add the cooked veggies now and grind it to a fine paste. Our masala paste is ready. To the heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, whole spices, and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and chili powder. Mix it well. Add the grinded paste and mix it. Make sure when you grind it, it's nice and creamy like this. Cover and cook it on low flame for 10 minutes. Our gravy is thick and creamy now. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, few crushed Kasuri Methi, and saute it well. Add salt as required. Now add the grated paneer, add the paneer cubes, and again mix it well. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. As you can see, our creamy paneer lababdar is ready now. Let's garnish it with some fresh cream. Add chopped coriander leaves and few ginger flakes. Our creamy paneer lababdar is now ready to serve with chapati or naan. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.